Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to send one-time view photo on Instagram in this tutorial. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your device. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Open any chat to whom you want to send the picture to. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom left. Now take a picture or select any from the gallery. After you're on this page, at the bottom left, tap on Allow Replay. Tap on it once again. Now the person can view the picture only once. Now tap on Send to send the picture. Just like so. And that is how to send one-time view photo on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.